Good morning and welcome to our Climate Takeover Day. So why is the CBA doing the Climate Takeover Day? This year COP26 is going to be in Glasgow, so it's really important that cultural organisations, heritage and the historic environment actually says something meaningful and demonstrates why we have a meaningful role in the climate debate. And we really do have a meaningful role. Why? Because we study past environmental climates. We study past human interactions with the planet, with the resources and with the environment that we actually existed in. The evidence of all climate change is relevant to archaeology, and we can actually draw out really important parts of that story. And I think what's absolutely brilliant, we'll hear that in the keynote speech by Robert van der Noort. Robert spent many years looking at wetland landscapes that are under a threat, but also wetland landscapes that have dramatically changed. They've changed because they're often parts of dry land now, or they're peat bogs. So understanding the information in those wet landscapes is fundamental to understanding climate change and how climate change has influenced human activity in the past and how it will continue to influence human activity in the present and future. So our Climate Takeover Day is a way for you to get involved. You can hear from the team who put forward this amazing programme. You can hear from some of the experts and some of the people who are actually on the cutting edge of archaeology and climate change. But you can also give us your own opinions. You can give us your own thoughts, and you can give us your own experiences of how archaeology can contribute to this story and to this issue. We're really excited because along with the Heritage Climate Network, we'll be able to draw this material together to actually make a compelling case at COP26 about the importance of culture, cultural organisations, cultural institutions in the climate change debate. It's not all about the natural environment. It's about how we as human beings have influenced and interacted with that environment over time. So I'm really pleased that we've got a Climate Takeover Day. I hope you enjoy the activities that have been put on. Please let us know your feedback and please do help by taking part.